I enter any park with full excitement, okay? After roaming half the park, I am patch. Then I say, okay, let's go home. I can't do this anymore. To see what happened in Lal Bagh and what did we eat, what places did we click pictures. Don't forget to watch the video till the end. I hope you enjoy a lot. It's good, it's good. It's good. It has some different smell, some udbati smell, kind of. Mushrooms are very good. This is veggie delight, it seems. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a Sunday today and we are going to Lal Bagh Botanical Park here in Bangalore. And come, let's go, let me take you as well. Outfit of the day, a jeans and a t-shirt. And this is what Gulu Gulu is wearing. Let me show you. This is what baby girl is wearing. This is what she's wearing. Dakayana, twirl, twirl, twirling. Nah. I think I have a competition now. She is showing her outfit much better than I show my outfit. And we reached Lal Bagh. Let me show you. RJ's entrance fees is 50 rupees per person. So he took 50, 100 he took. Car parking is 60 rupees it seems. Total 160 they charged. As we reached around 5 p.m., we had to park our car very far from the entrance gate. So that becomes a problem as you have to walk till the entrance gate. There's ample amount of space though for car parking. We had already decided that we'll put the baby in the stroller because it's humanly not possible to carry her everywhere. And as it's a huge park, so carry baby carriers, strollers, cycles, that will be the best. This is the entrance. Here you enter and you have to park the car in the left side, and right side is the entry to the park. Finally the trip got out of our minds that we were talking about it for a long, long time. That you have to come to Lal Bagh, you have to bring the baby to Lal Bagh. And finally we can bring her today. Even though I'll still say it's late, 5 p.m. is late to come here. Should reach her by 3, 4 p.m. And it's huge to walk. I don't think you can cover everything. See here, there's some cacti garden, and there is this thing here where you can climb up and rocks kind of and sit. And this side is bonsai garden, bonsai park, inside which you have small, small trees, flowering pots. Like this is called a bonsai, right? Small, small trees. Beautiful it is. Here they host Mau Mela, Halasu Mela and all. And we were saying, look at this tree. This tree itself has mangoes. Just look at this tree. This tree has so many mangoes, which is right inside Lal Bagh. It feels like it gives childhood nostalgia of throwing stones and plucking mangoes from the tree. There is something about Lal Bagh that brings me here every time. Beautiful trees on both sides of the road. It's so beautiful to see, and it gives me a different kind of a peace. Huge, huge trees. This place hosts Mau Mela and Halasu Mela, that is mango and jackfruit mela. So you can come and buy mangoes and all here. It will be good. And also, you get flowering plants and normal plants you can buy from here. And on August 15th and Republic Day, January 26th, there is flower show which is hosted here. I had a very bad experience on August 15th flower show, which I'll narrate in some time. It was a horrible experience, me and my friend. There is a fountain also behind, you can see. Beautiful vibe, huge trees, park, and place to rest. Very nice. So many people do photography and all here. This part of Lal Bagh is the most decorated during the Lal Bagh flower show on Independence Day and Republic Day. This is called a glass house, and all those gardens surrounding here they make beautiful things and beautiful caricature of flowers and plants and keep it here for display. The vibe is good. Lot of oxygen you get in Bangalore, where there is only pollution. Sarjapur, Balandur side. This side you'll get lot of fresh air. This was a very beautiful fountain, and the huge trees behind it made it so picturesque. Wow, what an amazing view! It's a great place to click pictures. Lot of pictures you can click here. I love such roads which are covered with two sides trees. This is so good to walk. This huge canopy, you cannot see the sky. This is so heavenly. Should click a picture here, I think. There's a lot of grass and all here for children to play. ಹಂಗ ಸೊಡೆಯತ್ತೆ ಬಾಬ್ಬಾಕ ಸಣ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ರೀ. This is a seating area, see, very nice. You can sit. Look at this tree which I spotted. Such a old tree, I think. Oh my god. Fancy, bro. Look at this tree. Pink flowers. We put this one here to sit on the grass. She is sitting here and trying to pluck the grass. And then we have artificial grass in our balcony. So she tries to pull that also, thinking it will come the way this grass comes. Tree behind me is so beautiful. I don't know what flowers are these. Let me know in the comments if you know what flower this is. So beautiful it is. Wow. Look at this. This is looking like human. Gorilla. Different shapes they have made. It's looking like gorilla. Do you also see a gorilla? Let me know in the comments. Arey wah. It's becoming very cloudy. Don't know if it is going to rain or not. We'll find a restaurant nearby. We reached near the entrance. It's a huge park. We just covered 1/4, I think. Why is my daughter screaming like this? Good hair day. I like the way my hair is looking. Good hair day it is today. This is Lal Bagh waterfall, it seems. I will give you 100 rupees if you can spot the waterfall here. The sky is very cloudy. This is waterfall. If you are wondering where is waterfall, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಿಂದ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. Are you watching the video without hitting that like button? No, please don't do that. Hit that like button and subscribe and let's hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. This is that flower, it seems, which is on this tree. This is that flower. पाय मात्र एक replacement जाओ का leg भी I want replacement. My leg already started paining. Apparently, we didn't even cover one fourth of Lal Bagh. I enter any park with full excitement, okay? After roaming half the park, I am patch. Then I say, okay, let's go home. I can't do this anymore. That's my case. Is it your case too? Let me know in the comments. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬಾ ಹನಿಕಿಕ್ಲಿ ದೂರ ಸಹ ಬಚ್ಚಾಗ ತೇಂಚಿಗೆ ಮುಂಟೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪತ್ತೋರು ಅಯ್ಯಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಾಡ್. We were too tired to find any restaurant and then parking problems and all that. So we brought this charmure upkari and ambuli. We ate two packets of charmuri, jhalmuri, whatever you call it in your language. What is charmuri upkari called in your language? Let me know in the comments. I am interested to know. In Konkani, we call it charmura upkari. Some people call it charmuri, and I think in Bangalore, I think it's called mandaki, and in Kolkata it's called jhalmuri. So let me know in the comments. I'm very interested to know what is charmura upkari, or this is called in your language. We ordered pizza from an outlet called Pizza Bakery. I used to see a lot of Pizza Bakery's reels on in my Instagram feed. Its founder, I think his name is Abhijit, or I'm not sure. He used to go out and inspect Pizza Bakery outlets in and around me. So I was also tempted to see how is it. Let's try. I think one is fungi pizza, mushroom pizza, and another one is veggie delight. I think so. It's a sourdough bread. Let's try. I'll show you. The pictures looked good. I hope the food is good too. Truffle fungi misty pizza and Popo's veggie delight pizza. And this costed 1,200 almost. Instruction is place your pizza in a preheated oven, not microwave, at 200 degree for a few minutes. But we only have a microwave oven, so I placed it for 1 minute in that, and the pizza got heated. Now this is looking like chapati pizza. It's a sourdough pizza, it seems. Looking at this, I hope Guruji doesn't kick my ass. I hope he doesn't kill me saying, "What did you order, dude?" ಇದೆಂತ ಮಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇಪೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂಥದೋ ಮಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. The farm delight one, that was very good. The mushroom one was very sweet. It's good, it's good. It's good. It has some different smell. Some udbati smell kind of. This is veggie delight, it seems. This is veggie delight. These are sun-dried tomatoes. This is good. This has a good taste. The other one was more sweet. This is actually good. Okay. पिज्ज़ा और कोक ना हो ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? तो कोक मंगा लिए हम. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. I upload 2-3 long videos in a week and shorts almost daily. Do not miss out on all that. Hit that bell icon and support me by hitting that hype button, and share this video with your friends, and plan a Lal Bagh trip soon. It's a very cozy, relaxed place where you can treat it like a picnic spot. June, July, August is also very good time because all the plants will start flowering and full bloom. We want to go again sometime later in the year, maybe September, October time. I want to go again to show you all the bloom and all that. I hope we can do that. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.